Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your soul. And that's when I say hello. Good morning. Hello, Shane. What's happening? Good morning. Good morning. Tomcat, welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show Friday edition, birthday edition. I'm just older, a little bit more wiser, a little bit more older, a little bit more in tune with the world as the world turns. As the world turns, hello, hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your soul. Savannah Boyd, good morning. Hello. How are you? Welcome in, my friend, to this beautiful Friday, freaky fast, fun Friday edition of the Swag Show. What do you know? Hello, hello. Good morning, one and all. Um, NQ new range hit target. It is 1 for 1. NQ early did take a loss, it looks like. Let's see if we can get visual short up here. Where's it at? Can't get it up. Why not? Thank you, Shane. I appreciate that, sir. This is visual long. We'll see if it plays out. Good morning, good morning. User Carlos Menzo, Gorilla T Loke, K Nappers, Dr. Sound Guy. Hello, hello. What do you know? Keep on tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. Let's get up to 10,000 likes today on my birthday. That would be my birthday present. Hi, Angela. Good morning, good morning. I hope everybody's having a fantastic, freaky, fun, fast Friday so far today. I'm going to go ahead and put NQ later on these top ones here. Yeah, I'm going to put later on my top ones, and this is it. Dr. Sound Guy, Plain Janes. How do you know which Visi to use? Just based on which way the market's moving. It's already made a huge run up this morning, but it doesn't mean it won't continue to run up. So if it's in a downtrend, you probably want to use short. If it's in an uptrend, you want to use the long. Right now, it is trying to take that trade right there at 686, 20,686. If it can, it missed it by like 1 or 2 ticks, it looks like. But yeah, in an uptrending market, you want to use the long, obviously, and in a downtrend, you want to use the short version. It is October 25th, 2024. I am a year older today. Technically, I wasn't born until around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but. Alright, let's see here. Push this up and stretch it out. It's kind of covering the email address, but that's all right. You guys can see it, right? Maybe. $75 green. Kevin Porter, welcome in. Tay B. Smith, BoldBot family members showing up in full force. Kevin Porter, welcome in. Mo Money user, Angel, Jen, John, Taddy Cruz, hello, hello. What do you know? It's the swag show. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. I'm here with you Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. $500 for the first month for the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that. We have a micro strategy game plan projected to win $3,000 a month per account. And if you want to join, now's the time. Prop firms galore, running sales and specials. I've got Tradeify affiliate links. I've got Apex codes. I've got Fast Track codes. And then you're going to need a good copy trader. So I've got a Replicanto code as well to help you manage all those accounts that you can have. Still waiting on Fast Track to come over to NinjaTrader though, but Apex and Tradeify, if you want to go straight to funded, use Tradeify. If you want to go smaller with your own money, you can go the Apex route past the eval, and then $85 for the PA fee right now. So yeah, the Vinci, welcome in to Powerhouse Productions. Steve Hall, welcome. NXUQSS, hello, hello. What do you know? It's the swag show. Thank you for being here on this fun, fantastic, freaky fast Friday. Market might pull back here. It did make quite a big move up, so we'll just have to wait and see. Vizzy short is in a short. It did catch the short. Let me show you that here. Let me try and move this down here for you so you can see it. $500, $600 now on this visual short. So it got in right at the 20,696 level. Devin, welcome in. Jimmy, hello, hello. What do you know? 300. So it was almost 600 green there. And this is one of those strategies as well that you can let it run and do its thing. Or if you're just starting out on an eval or a brand new PA and you want to build that cushion and that buffer, you just go ahead and follow it manually with your stop loss and lock in more profit. And there you go. Just got out of that trade, so we'll see if Long is going to want to get into a trade here. What's in order submitted where? What was that? Don't see anything in a trade right now. Excuse me. A little itchy of the eye here. Donnie Ho, welcome in. Hello. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. Lanky, hello, welcome, good morning. Christian Lorenzana, welcome. For fun, hello, hello. Andre Williams, Menjezi, T-Bone, maybe a T-bone steak for dinner. That sounds good. Thank you guys for being here so much. I really appreciate you showing up on my birthday, showing the love and support. Do me a favor, all I want for my birthday is 10,000 likes. If we can get to that, I'd be happy. Just keep tapping that screen. That's all I want. I'm not asking for nothing. It doesn't cost you anything but a little exercise on the old fingers on the old digits. There's short, visual short in another short here. We'll see if this resistance 3 level on the pivots is going to hold and if it's going to continue to push down, or if this is just a normal pullback after a big move up here. At some point, it will probably come down a little bit as a pullback to get more buyers to move it back up, but let's just sit back, relax, and enjoy this. Visual longs in a trade as well. You know what I say about that? When they're both in a trade, it means that the market is choppy. So, alright, scroll over here. Let's see if Santa's going to jump in here. I keep picking visual short. There we go. Good morning, Clutch. Hello. Will the spreadsheet say which visit you run? No. It only has the long version on the spreadsheet, but you can pick the short version if you want to. Like I said, you just have to know the trend of the market on which one you want to run that day. But hey, good morning, Chauncey, over there in sunny California. Hello. Mike, welcome in. Journo J G class. Hello. Janice, welcome in. Eric Ritter, thank you for being here. Hello over on YouTube. Make sure you click that thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Prab S, hello, welcome in. $280 profit if it hits there. Yep, 280. So it took profit there at 280 on short. We're green on NQ new range for 350. It hit target. NQ early did take a win and a loss, it looks like. So its day is done on early, but it's a no play on Friday anyway. So thank you very much for the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. How do you sign up? Just email the email that's on the screen, Prab. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Neo Flores, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Uncle Alti, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Nothing else in a trade right now, guys. Kind of a slow day on the old algorithm side. Everything is enabled and running. Runner, so Santa's in a trade here. Let me minimize that. Click that. There we go. So Santa's in a short here. The good thing is you can move that stop loss as soon as it gets into profit. If you wanted to click on the stop loss once you got to $100, like right now, you could click it and drop it and take that profit. But he will move the stop loss once it gets to 200, okay? But if I wanted to drop it right here and lock in like 80 or 90 bucks, I can do that, okay? Watch, I'll show you. Here, I'll just drop it. There, boom, and it stopped out. Now, I took profit, and it got me out of this trade, so if it continues down, I'm going to miss the rest of the trade. But Santa will look for the next best opportunity to get into another trade. So don't be afraid. Hey, that kind of rhymed. What is that? 11 MAGA. Welcome in. Meadow King. Hello. Thank you for being here. Jason Witt, welcome back in. C. Steed. Welcome, welcome. Oh. Thank you, Jason. I appreciate it. JCP, welcome in. Dupec JD, hello, hello. George Adams, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Keep on tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Let's get that 10,000 likes for my birthday. Santa in a short here. Green 75, 175. And there you saw Santa move the stop loss, so he's guaranteed $75 of profit here. Let me try and move this screen over for you. I don't think you guys can see the... trying to move it for you. Hold on, guys. Sorry about this. There it goes. Try and get the whole screen in there. So he was green down there at around 300 something. Yeah, that looks much better. All right. We'll just have to keep Santa on a tight leash like he does his reindeer, you know what I mean? I hope so, Jason. I hope I have many more for my kids' sake. I want to be there. Kai, welcome in. E-Girl Destiny, welcome in. Now Santa flips over to a long and already green right there. $75, $85, $100. This is how quick Santa moves. People want access to Santa before they fully understand how fast he can move and how close you have to be watching him. There's 200, and that's why he moved into the green. Nothing in a trade right now. On Santa just took out another profitable trade there though. Morven Dukes, good morning. Hello, hello. Michael, welcome in. Starkey, somehow Kevin, Steve Beaver, Samuel Paget, TikTok #1, Faven, Enrique, poor to mid class, Purple Chef. Hello, hello. What do you know? Good morning. It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here on this freaky fast fun Friday edition of the Swag Show. My name is Kyle. I am your host. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time on YouTube and TikTok, showing you live morning futures market action trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm. If you want to try it out, just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Let us know. We'd be happy to help you. What is the trade? This is NQ Santa, and he is in a long position from 20,648.5. Good morning, Abdul, over on YouTube. Hello. Shane, you sent me a message on Slack about how my charts look. Okay, I'll look it up as soon as I get done streaming. Like I said, you know I'm not very good at multitasking. It is 500 per month. No, it's 500 for the first month, Prab, and then it's $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. But we have a micro strategy game plan that is projected to win 3,000 a month per account. So it's well worth it if you have 4 or 5 accounts. It easily pays for itself. Or you can get 7 Tradeify accounts and go straight to funded. If you want to know more about Tradeify, just click on my profile on TikTok, click on my Linktree app, go over to the Tradeify website and look it up. If you had 7 accounts, that'd be $21,000 a month you'd be bringing in. Good thing with them is there is no eval period, no intraday drawdown. It's an end of the day drawdown. So as long as you end in green, you're good. Even if you end in red, you're still good. Up 350 on NQ new, 100% bot. There you go. Listen to Shane, folks. Santa in this long, NQ visual in this long. That's the song we like to hear. When both Santa and visual are both in longs right around the same entry point, you know it's usually a good entry, and you could guarantee that it should go in that direction. Okay, my finger is now green and tired from tapping my own screen. So now it's your turn. Just keep tapping until your finger gets tired. Help me get to 10,000 likes today on my birthday. I appreciate it. Happy October 25th, 2024 to all of you. I hope you're having a fantastic, fabulous, freaky fun fast Friday, making that money. Gonna go enjoy the weekend. So yeah. Santa in a long, NQ visuals in a long. They both got in right around that same entry point too, so that's a good sign. Future Scalper, my brother from another mother. Hola. Aloha, my brother. Thank you for the heart, brother. I appreciate you. I'm a year older and I feel the same, but just wiser, a year wiser, maybe some more gray hair, maybe some less hair. You know, going bald, going gray. That's what happens when you get old and, you know, fat and lazy and out of shape. I need to start working out, but I appreciate you guys showing up, being here, tapping that screen. Get me to 10,000 likes on my birthday. That'd be amazing. If you haven't already followed, please follow. I'm going to do a giveaway when I get to 5,000 followers on TikTok. NQ new won $350. That is one of the standard algorithms that you get access to when you first sign up as part of the MicroStrategy game plan. I have 10 evals that I have purchased. I'm starting them today. I'm up 800 on 5 of them and down 110 on 5 of them. So I kept getting into somehow naked trades again. I don't know what's going on with. I think I'm following too close um, with my stop loss when I'm manually trading and placing it too close and the order doesn't catch. So I need to stop doing that. Um, but yeah, we're okay. We're gonna see what happens here on this pullback. It did go all the way up to resistance 3 on the pivots. So now it tweezer topped out right at the resistance 3 at around 20,693.75 ish, and now it's kind of pulling back and moving down. We'll watch to see if it continues to move down here. Peter, good morning. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I appreciate you. It did come all the way down into an older chop zone from a while back at 20,619, and now it's kind of moved back up from there. So if that was the pullback, that's all they wanted, and, you know, I wouldn't be surprised. It might continue to move up here from now. Do you clear your NinjaTrader cache and reboot chart VPS daily? No. I probably should, though. I know I probably should. I don't restart my VPS every day. I probably should do that, and I know I should probably clear out the NinjaTrader stuff. I need to start doing that because if I'm starting to notice, but I really do think it's from me moving my stop loss while I'm manually trading too close to where price is, and it's not getting that order in time. I think that's what's really doing it, but I will do that stuff, Tina. I know I'm supposed to do that, so I just need to stop moving my stop loss and let my ATM strategy have faith in it that it's gonna. I got in at the right time on my trade and have faith in my trades. Because, like I said, I'm already up 800 on half of them, and I'm only down 100 on the other half, and that's because they did get into a naked trade for some reason. But yeah, ugh. Weather is kind of chilly. Let's see what the weather says today. High of 69. It feels like 59. Tomorrow, high of 63. And then next week, like back into the 80s or something crazy. I don't know. Just nonsense. Weather is crazy here. Benji, I took NAS for 15R, still long in XAU and Bitcoin. Okay, I don't know what that is. You could do that each night at the end of the night, um, after everything's done trading for the day, Chauncey. So like 4:30 Eastern time, 5 o'clock Eastern time. Just kind of reboot your VPS, clear your cache. All that should be pinned in the helpful info channel of the Slack group. But excuse me, if you can't find it, just shoot me a message, and I'll try and send you the screenshot of the files and where they're at and what you're supposed to delete each night. Okay. What the email you mentioned about signing up? Oh yeah, so that is boldbot LLC at gmail.com. Right there on the screen for you. Let's see. What's in a trade? Oil. Okay, let's pull up Oracle Oil. Nope, that doesn't have it on there, so I'm not going to show you that because it doesn't even have the email on there. That's all right. Let's see if visual long, where'd it go? How come it's not pulling it up? Ugh. All right, there it is. We'll put visual long on here. $15R is risk reward. Oh, okay. But you're talking about you're Benji. You're trading crypto though, right? Thank you, Benji. I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't do crypto. I only do the futures market. But yeah, Tino, I think I only have it on like 3 days, but I have so many charts open as well. But Benji, thanks for stopping by, man. You can stop by and watch the futures market Monday through Friday, starting at 9:30 Eastern time on TikTok and YouTube with us. We go live Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. Yes, Colin, this is NQ. Right now, it is showing NQ visual long. It's just one of many strategies that we have here at BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yeah, I have so many things open. That's why I did upgrade. They have a free upgrade that they gave me at Chart VPS. It's called VPS Plus. It's basically a brand new computer, totally updated and upgraded to the higher level processor and all that stuff, more memory, more RAM. So I haven't noticed too many issues with it since I upgraded, except when I do manually trade and I move my stop loss too close. And I'm pretty sure that's always happened when using a trade copier like Replicanto or any trade copier for that matter. That when you do that, you don't allow the order to get set properly in time, and then it tries to close it out, and then you miss some trades or it gets you into a naked trade. So be careful. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out on this fantastic, freaky fun Fast Friday. Seeing if visual long here will take a long, if it can get the pullback that it's looking for. It will adjust the blue line where the limit order is and move it up accordingly. Let me pull up later, see where that's at. That looks like it could take a trade if it gets up and over 707. So, possibility for that to take along. I do have 5 accounts turned on, I think, for that. Don't I? Yeah, I have 5 accounts turned on for later. Only because they are red $116. But on the other 5 evals, I made 810 on them. Just starting over on my birthday. Why not, right? Get 10 accounts, start over. Don't do stupid stuff. Don't trade in the chop zone. Follow your own rules. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Do Apex PA accounts penalize you for changing your contract size consistently? Um, it's kind of a yes and no answer from what I was listening to on the interview with them. They want to see consistency, Rose, but I think as long as your overall profit each day is more consistent, the amount of contracts shouldn't matter. But yeah, they don't want to see you running like, you know, four micros and then one day switch to four minis. And, it just, they can see all that. So just be careful. Just try and stay as consistent as possible and reach for whatever your goal is for the day. Swag, stop when at goal, whether it's $100, $50, 200, or 2,000, whatever your daily goal is. Just make sure you try and stop when you're right around it and be done, and the consistency thing won't be an issue. So, yeah. During the eval period, it doesn't really matter. But once it becomes a PA, then yes, it probably, you need to stay around the same sizes and same profit each day. I'm done manually trading for the day. Market's way up there too high. Unless it comes within a couple of other indicators that I'm looking at, which right now it's close to, so I'm tempted, but it's below one and above another, so I'm hesitant to really take a manual trade here, being so far up. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna risk doing that. I'm just gonna probably watch and see if it gets in on NQ later here. It needs to get above 707 and close a candle out. NQ visual long. If it gets in a trade, I might think about taking one with it, but it really has to hold above a certain level I'm watching right now to be able to do that. And if it can hold above this level, then I might go ahead and take a trade with it. So we'll see. And there it's in the trade. So I'm going to put in a buy here at 657. I like that entry point at 657 here. So we'll see how that works out. What's an ideal funded account size for premiums? On a cash account or on a prop firm account? On a cash account, I'd say $10,000 at least. On a prop firm funded account, you'd need at least $150,000 account. All right, I did not get filled, which is good because it came within one tick of getting filled and then it dropped. So I did not get in. It came within one tick of filling my manual order. So I got saved on that, Zach. I did not get cooked. And on visual long over here, we're good. We're golden. And now I'm in this manual trade. I'm in the manual trade at 657. I'm up and away. Two contracts, green, $180. I'm moving my stop loss up to lock in profit. And now I'm just going to let it run. And I'll show you guys what I'm in right there. That's what I'm in right there. So, well, hopefully it goes up and away. Locks in this profit. Stay above 20,661, and I'm out. $150 in the in the green on that trade. So I just made 150 on that trade. I'm out. So now I'm back in the positive on all my evals. Yeah. What confluence do you have? I'm not that smart, Zach. I don't know what that means. How many contract sizes do you do and want? So on the MicroStrategy game plan, we have that set up where each strategy runs at a different sizing. When I manually trade, I on my PA accounts, I start out with like 4 micros and just build up from there, all the way up to 2 minis sometimes. But yeah, you're one of the scalper dudes. When I manually trade, yeah, but when the bots trade, each algorithm's different. Uh, right around 2 years. My ATM, Zach, is set for 60 ticks of stop loss, and it locks in profit at 32, and then it follows behind 10 ticks and moves up with it. So I don't know if maybe that's what you're talking about as well. Like, I don't have a hard take profit on my ATM strategy when I manually trade. I'm looking for 4 or 5 points at a time, and I'm just trying to get 200 or above each day when I have PAs when I manually trade, and then I let the algorithms do their thing. So I hope that answers your question. And I don't know if you think like scalpers, being a scalper trader is a bad thing or not, but some of the most successful traders are scalper traders. So 275 now on visual long. What's an ideal funded account size for premiums for funded account? Yeah, 150K at least. Thank you guys for hanging out, watching the Swag Show this morning. My name is Kyle. I am your host. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market action trading, using both bot and giving you some manual plays like I just did, which is Bold Bot is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Green 230, 245. Now, the good thing is, if I wanted to move that stop loss up, I can click on it early and move it up and take profit whenever I want. Okay? But the algorithm will move it for me when it's supposed to. But if I wanted to, I could click it early and just drop it wherever I wanted to, like here. Back to Vegas. Man, I wish I could come with you on my birthday. You know I'm lucky on my birthday, right? Everybody's lucky on their birthday. All right, have fun, man. Hit another jackpot. Don't blow too much of that retirement money. Have fun, and I'll see you later, man. Be safe. The Warrior, welcome in. Thank you for being here. SFK, hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Mohammed, welcome back. Oh, okay. Zach, are you still there? I can answer that question now. It's almost like the bots see the orders block we left at 700. Yeah. If I wanted to start trading futures, how much cash do you need in an account to do that? Ed, a minimum of like 3 to 5 thousand, and that's going to be trading micros, trying to make $50 a day. If you're going to manually do it, learn how to do manual trading first. Don't just throw money away. Take a mentorship class that like Lauren offers or somebody, and join a group. Get manual alerts. We offer that as well. But yeah. Zach, type something in the comments if you're still there, and I'll answer your question now that I understand what you were asking. Like I said, I'm not up on some of the lingo, but I do have multiple indicators and stuff that I use. I look for different things on different time charts as well. So, yeah, Shane, you're gonna have to send me. You're using TradingView though. But yeah, that's a lot of different stuff. I see your picture. That's a lot of different stuff. I'm gonna have to learn how to read all that and decipher what all it means. How much is your account? I have 10 $50,000 accounts. Nez Vlogs. Yeah, right now I have 10 $50,000 Apex accounts waiting on some money to come in to get some Tradeify accounts, and then waiting on Fast Track to come over to NinjaTrader to get the Fast Track accounts. So yeah, 460 on this NQ visual long. And yet it still can't predict the inducements. Who is the best broker to start with to paper trade and learn futures trading? I don't know. That's hard. That's hard to answer. Whatever one you like best, I guess. Yeah, 10 accounts. That's all I have right now. Hopefully soon it'll be 17. And then when Fast Track comes over, it'll be 37. And then once I get a couple of payouts, I'll get the other 10 on Apex. So I'll have 47. But for right now, I just have 10. Not that that's a bad thing, I wouldn't think, but. Alright, why is this not scrunching? You guys can't really see the profit target here. There. Maybe now you can see it. And how much is your profit per account? Usually I shoot for 200-ish a day. right around is what my goal is 200 a day per account. Some days it's less, some days it's more. It all depends on how my manual trading goes. Like today, 5 of them are at 800 and 5 of them right now are at 37. So but Ed EDWSAM. If you wanted to get like an Apex account and try it out, it's $32 right now for a $50,000 account. And you could practice in simulation as long as you want, and you get a free NinjaTrader license when you go with them. That's the only good thing with going with Apex is they give you a free Apex or NinjaTrader license. So you could try that. How do you manage all accounts and do manual trading for each? Keith, I'm glad you asked. That's why I use Replicanto, which is the Flowbots icon on my screen that you see up at the top. And I have a discount code for them as well. If you click on my profile and then click on the link tree, it'll take you directly to them. Use the code BOLDBOT20 and it'll give you 20% off of Replicanto, which is an amazing trade copier. I use it myself along with a lot of other people in the BoldBot family. We really like the ease of use and flexibility. You can create multiple tabs across the bottom for all the different strategies. I have one for manual, one for NQ open, one for RTY night, one for ES London waves, one for NQ early, NQ new, NQ later, NQ day waves, Santa visual. So yeah, you can put multiple tabs on there and just select which accounts you want to run, what strategy that day. It's really easy to use, and I will help you set it up if you are a member of the BoldBot family. Yeah, and that's the thing, Nez. The more accounts you have, the smaller amount you have to make each day per account to make a bigger number. So once I get up there to 47 accounts, and I'm only making 200 a day per account, that's that's a lot of money. That's over what 9,400 a day. Yeah, something like that. It's $350 now on this NQ Visual Long. NQ new range, which is part of the manual micro strategy game plan, earned 350 today. Why did you opt for the 50K accounts? Just because they're easier to pass and they're cheaper and they give me enough buffer room that I can go and aim for that $200 a day um, goal without getting too far into the profit target, or the drawdown each day. But yeah, if you want to go bigger, you can go bigger. Totally up to you. I just like the $3,000 profit target versus the $2,500 drawdown that it offers. So let's see, Santa, where are you? Uh-oh. Inactivity. What are you talking about, inactivity? I'm sitting here talking to people. TikTok's crazy like that. What do you mean inactivity? I'm sitting here talking to people. and I'm interacting with chat. I'm answering questions. What more do you want from me, people? TikTok is just crazy. I don't understand. But anyway, where'd Santa go? I thought Santa was in a trade. There it is. He is in a trade. He's in a $200 short. See that? $200 short on Santa. And how much do you need to pass an Apex challenge? So you have to make $3,000 in profit before hitting the $2,500 drawdown to pass an Apex 50K eval challenge. So when they're in eval, you can size up, you can take more risks if you want, if you don't care about blowing the evaluation account. But if you're going to practice discipline, you should treat it like a real account, and that way you don't blow thousands of dollars on just trying to pass eval after eval after eval. So some people, they do that. Myself, when I was a young wee lad starting out trader, was one of those people that I couldn't stop. I just kept trying and trying and trying. Blew eval after eval after eval. So, and how much time do you pass the eval with the bot? Right now we have a strategy that would pass it in a month. But you can always take a bigger risk, but the game plan we have for people now is projected to pass it in a month. Mr. Romero, welcome in. Hello, hello. Thank you for being here. Pulled all the way back to that top of that chop zone from a few days ago, I'm assuming, at 20,629, and is bouncing off of it once again. So that might be a level of interest to look at. $570 on this Santa short here, and it took profit. 11:30 candle open, and it immediately bounced off that level and is going back up. So, yep, and there's Santa in the green now. Now Santa's in the long, right there at 20,643. Is that a good level for me? Not yet. I don't like taking a long up here anyway, so ES is way down below that, and magic line is right there. Yeah, I'm not taking this manual trade here. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. So I'm not going to do it, Jenny. I wouldn't be prudent at that point in juncture to take a trade way up here in outer space. Some people would, but I don't like it. Show you the drop down of the various strategies. Oh, that's not even all of them. That's just the ones that I have. I have like 27 different strategies running, and we have about 40. We have 8 different algorithms and about 40 different strategies. So I don't have all of them up and running. But we have Big Bang, we have Oracle, we have PBV, we have range, we have scalper, we have line, we have waves, and we have zones. So that's the 8 different algorithms that we have. Now, within each algorithm, there are multiple strategies. So, for instance, Big Bang ES, that's 1. Big Bang Gold, that's 2. Big Bang NQ, that's 3. And Big Bang YM, that's 4. So just inside a Big Bang right now, I have 4 strategies running in that one algorithm. Then you move on to Oracle. You have Oracle ES, Oracle Oil, Oracle YM, um, Oracle, I think NQ, and then you got PBV for ES night, NQ day, NQ night, oil, oil day, oil night, and then you got range, early, new, later, open, and RTY. So see, I mean, there's a lot of stuff. It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, you just got to understand. If NQ can get over 707, then NQ later might take a trade. But that's way up here. So, who knows? Right now, nothing is in a trade currently, so we're just sitting back and watching. Oh, wait, long just got into a trade. Okay. Long is in a trade. And I can't move it. I don't know why, but it won't let me. Maybe over here it'll let me move it. Ah. I don't know why this screen's locked. I don't know. It's so weird and strange. Anyway. Nothing's in a trade right now, guys, but that's okay. Thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. Which ones are your favorite? All the ranges, which come with the standard algorithm. And then I like visual long and short based on what I think the market's going to do. And then I like Santa, which is in a trade right now. So if you can have the time and the freedom to zoom in at work or wherever you're at, sitting at home, and you want to be a day trader and you want to use Santa, this is how I use them. I zoom them in real tight and right at the open, and once he's in a trade, I'll click on the stop loss and I'll wait until he's into the green. Right now it looks like it's moving down, but I don't have to let go of it. What is that on my screen? Oh. But you can move the stop loss up once he gets into profit and then just click and drop and let go, and that's how you do it. Yeah, I like the big bangs. I'm running so much stuff that I would have to manually be watching them, and it's hard to do that while I'm streaming. And that's usually when they take off, is in the early morning if they're going to get into a big trade. But once I get my PAs, I might do them on micros. Once I get some more live accounts going again, I'll do them on the micros. Especially when I get the Tradeify accounts. But yeah. Alright, so that turned red on that Magic line. Magic line is now red, which means it's noticing a downtrend, but it's got to get below 419 to break that previous candle on the 15 minute. So we'll see if NQ can continue to push up. Like I said, it's respecting the top of this old chop zone, sitting right there at 628, 629. But we'll see if it goes below 19. It will probably continue down to around 590. And then we'll see if it can break 590 and continue down. Yeah, for sure, user. Yep, that would be a perfect. If you can monitor it and be there for the trades on that size account, you should be fine. Yeah, if it can get below this right here, and it might continue down to 590 is the next 588, somewhere around there. We'll see if it can get down to that, and then if it does get down to that, if it's going to continue any lower than that and fill some of these fair value gaps on the VWAP. Freddie, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at on planet Earth. It is October 25th, my birthday, 2024, 11:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I'm your host. I go live Monday through Friday at 10:30 to 12:30, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a semi-automated trading algorithm on the futures market, and also manual trading. I do talk about some of that. Giving you little goodies. Just giving you little nuggets. Little nuggets of goodness here. We've been live an hour and 10 minutes. I'm going to be here with you until 12:30. And I've got a bunch of Zoom meetings I got to do today to help new members out. All right, it has broken below the 19. So we'll see if it runs all the way down to around 589, 587 to fill one of the fair value gaps that I show. Let's see. Big Bang ES. Where is it? There you go. This is Big Bang ES. It's in a short. How long are the Zooms? As long as you need. Usually no longer than a half an hour, though, is when I schedule every half an hour. But we can pretty much get everything done within a half an hour time, so I just schedule them every half an hour. User canned spam likely. What is your name in the group, though? so I know who you are. And just if you're not in the group, not to be confused, I would love to do a Zoom with you, but they're only for new members of the BoldBot family. So if you're not a member of the BoldBot family, become one, and then I can help you out with anything that you might have questions on. Vizzy short in a trade. Santa's in a trade. Let's see. Santa's in a long here. This is what I mean. You just got to monitor him real close and watch him, and then just catch him when he gets up to 100. Just go ahead and move the stop loss to like 40 or 50 bucks. You do that 3 or 4 times, and that's your 100, 200 a day. Do you have a time that you stop the bot? Yeah, so each strategy has its own time set within the settings of when it's supposed to trade. So I don't have to do anything. It stops automatically for the day at that time. You've got the Zoom today at 1:30. Okay. Yep. I do have you down for that. Now that I know who you are. All these different names, it gets confusing. Nicknames and TikTok names, real names, Slack names. I'm like, 1:30 Eastern time today, right, Johnny? Let's see. It's Jimmy though, right? No, it's John Ferris. Okay. Yep. At 1:30 Eastern time. Yep, I got you down. Oh, just close that out. I didn't mean to close that out. All right. Yep, I got you down. I've got. Let's see. How many Zooms I have today? I've got 2 at 1 o'clock with Lou and Jimmy C. Then I got one at 1:30 with John, and then one at 3 with Matt. So I might have to fit in Gary in there sometime. But yeah. All right, sounds good, user. The Apex sale ends in 7 days, though. So if you're going to join, you might want to, if you're going to use Apex, you don't have to use Apex, but I'm just letting you know their sale ends in like 7 days. You can also use Tradeify or any other prop firm that works with NinjaTrader. But those are the 2 that we like right now. We're waiting on Fast Track to come over to NinjaTrader. Still waiting on them. But we also offer manual alerts if you're already a manual trader. What makes Santa's trade? I have no idea. It's a scalper, so it's looking for a reversal pattern within its settings, and that's when it takes a trade. I can't really comment on anything more than that because I honestly don't know. And I was just informed that I am able to give away a free month for the standard algorithms. I haven't done one for my birthday month, she just said, of October. So if you need to follow me on all my social media platforms and let me know that you're interested in the free month giveaway. So the 10 people that are on here, if you're ready, let me know. Will the MicroStrategy be able to pass the 50K? Yeah. In a month, it's projected to win $3,000 per month. So if you can wait that long, otherwise there's a way to YOLO stuff. You can do that too, but let me make a quick little video here. Hey, what's up, guys? It's my birthday, October 25th. Just want to let you know, if you follow me on TikTok and YouTube, I am going to be able to give away one free month of the standard algorithms for October. Trying to shoot the video. Didn't work. It's all right. You guys might have seen stuff. We won't do that right now. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Follow me, and we'll have to direct message me. Let me know you're interested in the giveaway. And then I'll put everybody's name into a random number generator thing, and we'll select a winner. But I'm going to do it probably on Halloween. That way it gives people time, and I can promote it on my social media stuff. Just shoot me a DM on here and let me know that you follow me. And I'll give away on Halloween, I think that's what we're going to do. on X. I'm on X. I'm on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, but you just need to message me on one of them and let me know that you follow me. And yeah, post home. Can't do it while I'm on here. That's okay. $280-$90 now on Santa on this short. Like I said, it's going down probably around 59, or I mean 590. Sorry, 590, 588, somewhere in there. NQ day waves in a trade as well. Visual shorts green 700 on its short, and Santa's green 340 on this short. Way too far now gone. I missed that opportunity to take that short, but that's okay. I'm going to be okay. Excuse me. I got those accounts out of the red from those couple of naked trades, so I'm green. Even though it's only, $37, multiply that by 5, it's $150, so it's whatever. Got about a half an hour left in the swag show for today. We'll see if it wants to go into lunch right here, consolidating and just staying within this old chop zone in between 20,610 all the way up to 20,635 ish. We'll see if it just wants to move sideways here for the next hour on this Friday edition of the Swag Show. Usually they like to run it up on Fridays, and that's what they've done all morning long. Now we've got a little bit of a pullback here, and we'll probably go sideways here for the next hour during lunch to consolidate and figure out what they're going to do after lunch. On evals, yes, not on PAs. User. Excuse me. So yeah, once you get your PA accounts, you're not allowed to be in both a long and a short position, even if it's on different accounts. You have to have all accounts going in the same direction. But during the eval period, it doesn't matter. But user, if you want to be, you got to send me a name. I can't just say user. I got to know who won. You got to change your name so I know what name to call you just in case you win. Nez, you're in there for sure. If you DM me, that's good. You can follow me on X. Just click on the link tree. It has all the social media stuff. You don't have to follow me on all of them, but I'd appreciate it if you did. Yeah, that'd be okay. Yeah, if you did that, that would be fine. Because they can't see each other's stuff, so. Alright, so it got stopped out there. Bring up short. Where's my crosshair? There it is. So it got in at 20,645.5. You don't have X, that's okay. Just follow me on here and message me if you want to be entered. Send me a direct message and let me know you're interested in the giveaway for Halloween. I'll be doing that on Halloween. That way you can get started November. But to help out, if you do win, make sure you're already set up with something ready to go, whether it be an Apex account and you have NinjaTrader, or a Tradeify account and you have NinjaTrader already set up ready to go. That way you're not wasting any time if you do win the free month, because the last time the guy won, he didn't have anything set up at all, and it like wasted a week of his free membership. So you got to be serious about it. You really got to want it and be involved and be willing to listen to our advice and help when we try and give it to you, because we want you to be successful. Oh, thanks, Steven. I appreciate it. Yeah, you're good. Just let me know. Send me a DM. You want to be entered in it. And I'll have to write everybody's names down and keep a list. Excuse me. Oh, man. Got. Let's see. Notepad. I can just start writing everybody's name down on a notepad and save it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. That way I can get everybody's name. I'll give them plenty of time, basically a week. I'll post something on TickTok. I'll do a little video here letting everybody know about the Halloween spectacular giveaway. Spooktacular. I don't know. I'm silly. Santa's not going to get in any more trades right now. Let's see. Where's Big Bang? Big Bang. What's this? That's NQ. Big Bang NQ is in a short. Here, let me pull this over. Show you that. No, you don't have to do that unless you win. If you win the drawing, then I'll need your email. But for now, just send me your name. Send me a DM. Let me know you're interested in the free month. And yeah, that way I can put it on a list. And then I'll enter all the names into a random name generator and have it pick a winner. So yeah, one free month of the standard algorithms. I'll give that away on Halloween. Just follow me and let me know you're interested. And it helps if you have stuff set up already. An account with one of the prop firms or a cash account, and you have NinjaTrader already downloaded. It's just going to save you time so you can get up and going as soon as you win. So Big bang, big bang. Let's go NQ big bang. Yeah, you have to have NinjaTrader to use the bot, correct. Yeah, if you already have Apex and Tradeovate, that's perfect. Then you just need NinjaTrader. And they give you a free NinjaTrader license with Apex, so you don't have to pay for it. You just need to use your, uh, login credentials, username, and password from your Tradeovate, and log into NinjaTrader, or the connection to the live data with that stuff. But 'Freaky Fun Fast Friday edition of the Swag Show, October 25th, 2024. I'm old. I'm older now. It's okay. We all get there. We're just trying to achieve our goals in life for the kids. Make that money and get the kids all the stuff they want. Make sure they're set up for life and enjoy what you got. Yeah, 25-point stop loss on Big Bang. We'll see if it continues to move down here. About 20 minutes left today in the stream. Keith, very nice. If you're interested in the free month that I'm going to be giving away on Halloween, just make sure you follow me on here. Send me a DM. Let me know you're interested in the giveaway on Halloween for the free month of the standard algorithms. Make sure you're all set up, whether it be with a Tradeify account, an Apex account, a cash account, and have NinjaTrader up and ready to go. And if you win, we will get you the standard algorithms for 1 month, which is projected to win on the MicroStrategy game plan $3,000. So what else can we do for you? Here's a free month that would normally cost you $500. Then we're going to tell you what algorithms to use that's projected to win you $3,000 in that free month. I mean, it's pretty nice, right? Feeding Stray Cats, welcome back. Hello, hello. How are you? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're at in the world. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. 200 moving average, right at it. Magic line, still below it, still below that. Now, one would think I could take a short here, but do I want to risk it since the trend all morning has been up, and this could just be a pullback, and now it's going to continue to go up? We shall see. But I don't think I'm going to take another manual trade today. It doesn't like it. Okay, we'll talk to you in a little bit. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Okay. It's $60. Could just be, yep. Big patterns, craziness. Scalped a $50 quick trade. Up 70, 70, 70, 80, 60, 70, 70, 810, 790, 810, 830, and 810. That's my 10 accounts. Does Santa do well after lunch? Sometimes. Sometimes he makes up all of what he's lost in the morning in the afternoon. It all depends on what the market does, honestly. If it's a trending market, one way or the other, and he catches it, he's going to do good. If it gets sideways like it is right now and just gets stuck in a chop zone, it's not going to do so good because he's going to look for every opportunity of direction change, and sometimes it's just not there for him to get a big enough run, and he gets chopped up. But some days he does have really good afternoon moves, so and the thing with Santa is once you make your daily goal in the morning, if you've made it, you can just turn him off so he doesn't trade anymore for the rest of the day. Or you can, only run him in the morning if you wanted to and not run him in the afternoon. And if you're manually moving the stop loss like I tell you to and taking your profit, you should be able to get that $200 or whatever close to, depending on if you're on micros or minis as well. You just got to set your goal for yourself and stop when you're at your goal. Like right now, I'm done with these evals on half of them for the day. The other half, I might take another trade, but the setup's got to be there. I got to see all the stuff going in my direction for me to take another manual trade today. I do have later on, but it doesn't look like it's going to run unless the market really moves up. It's got to go up above 700. So another 65, 60 points-ish. Visual longs in a trade. Where's it at? No, come on. So this is visual long. It got in at 20,624 and it's green 400 right now. $20,624 would have been right there. Yeah. See what it looks like over here. 20,624. Right at the bottom of that. Bounce. Yeah, that's a good entry point. Double bottomed and bounced off and continued up. So we'll see if it continues up here. 3 minutes, the 12:15 candle will open on the 15-minute chart, and we'll be able to tell if this is going to continue to move up or if this was just a pullback on a downward movement. But it didn't get below. So far, it didn't get below where the previous 15-minute candle was. So, in my opinion, it probably looks to be done pulling back, and it will continue to move up the rest of the day. But that's just me. I've been known to be wrong. The big dogs will come back from lunch and make that determination for us, right? They're the ones with the millions of dollars making it move. Patrick, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Long and short, both in a trade. You know what that means. Choppy, choppy sideways. When visual long and short are both in a trade at the same time, it means it's choppy, choppy. So, hey, Ray, what's happening over there on YouTube today? What size do you usually run, Santa? 4 micros. When I start off a brand new account, and then 5 micros when it goes to a live account. That way, I'm only risking $100 a trade, and I can potentially get a nice big run when he goes on those big runs of $500, $600, $700, and I'll get half of that. So 250, 300, whatever. But that's what I'm looking for when I use Santa on live accounts. PA accounts is what I mean, funded. Not evals. Evals, you can run it on one mini if you want to. It's all up to you, but you just got to know what you're doing. You got to trail them tight. I'm hungry. 12:15 candle is open and it's just hanging right there at even. It hasn't even moved. A sliver of green, a sliver of red. Can't quite make up its mind which way it's going to go here. Stuck right in a middle of a zone that it has been creating since 11:45. So for the past half an hour, it's pretty much been stuck right in this middle, in between 20,609 and 20,647. So we'll see if it continues to move up. NQ visual long, still in the long. Big Bang NQ in a trade. Red 470 on the day so far. ES Big Bang in a trade. And that's it. Visual long and visual short both in trades, which means it's sideways. So, not a whole lot of action going to happen, it doesn't look like, for the next at least half an hour. So I'm going to go grab something to eat before I start my Zoom calls with my new members of the BoldBot family. So, thank you for being here. I appreciate all the love, support, the birthday wishes. I'll be back on Monday, 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. BoldBot will be back live Monday, 9:30 with the BoldBot beauties of Jen and Lauren. Make sure you follow them on TikTok. And yeah, I think I'm going to get out of here for the day. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe, follow, shoot me a DM if you're interested in the free month Halloween giveaway. And I will see you on Monday. Tell somebody you love them, give them a hug. All right, I appreciate each and every one of you. And this is